In the heart of TurboFlex Gym, Mika and Riko prepare for a friendly rivalry.
Ready to lose, Riko? Lose?
I was born ready to win. Make way! Emergency dessert delivery! What in the neon is going on?
Juno, stop! That's not a treadmill!
If I stop, the eclairs will be history.
Hold it steady, Riko! I've got the cart!
I'm trying, but it's like wrestling a tornado.
Well, at least the eclair survived. Usly.
And so did we. Let's call it a win.